Sam, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Fine, that means my audio is working. I need to fix my video. You can keep it off for some time till your friends join. Okay, so very good afternoon to one and all. Hopefully, I am audible to everyone. And students can switch on the cameras if they don't mind. Kathleen is back. That's good. Amit Kazi is joining, and we have all the students in front of us. Where is Safia? She should have been here by now. Farhana has changed her location again. Position, I should say. Okay. Now, yesterday we started the chapter, and because of the small length of the chapter, we finished it also. Till now, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Whatever we have learned till now, anything that has struck you and you found that you should discuss it in the class, anything? Nothing still now. Wonderful. Now, I would like to know how many of you know how to draw. You can raise your hand, you can give a thumbs up, you can use a WhatsApp, just message in the chat box, or else you can directly tell them over the microphone, sir, I know how to draw. I don't find any reaction anywhere. As if there is a Hiroshima bomb being dropped somewhere. Okay, Saklen knows how to draw. Okay. Only Saklen out of so many students. Goodness. Okay, Safia also knows. Good. One boy, one girl. Rest of them, they know how to appreciate drawing. Mudabir, acha, Farhana. Farhana knows, but she prefers to type rather than speak because she is storing her energy. Mudabir Muzam, not at all eager.
So not very nicely
Drawing, my goodness.
Basic things, yeah.
Basic things, fine. What do you understand? What do you mean by basic things? Could you please elaborate on that, Mudabir? I am not good at drawing. Ahmed Kazi. Very good. You are in my. We are in the same school. Yes, Mudabir. What do you mean by basic thing?
Shapes.
No. You said that you are not good at drawing, but you know the basic things. What do you mean by that?
So like I can draw very roughly.
So that means if you draw me, I will not appear to be like me. It will look someone else. Okay. Then you are also in the same page with me. Good. I tried to draw an elephant last time, but my daughter thought that I have drawn a pig. So eventually from that time onwards, I've never tried to experiment on drawing because I understood that is not my cup of tea. Okay, let's jokes apart. Why I'm trying to tell is this. I want you all to express yourself based on this chapter, A Tiger Comes to Town. Explain very carefully. I don't want you to write a summary. No. Suppose I'll give you an example. This is known as art integrated learning. That means you integrate art into the work that you do. That means, for instance, I'll tell you one example. We have in CBSE in class 9 one chapter, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, My Childhood. It has been taken from his famous book, Wings of Fire. So a part of it is there in CBSE. So what my students did is that one student who is very good in drawing, she used the Bengal culture where you draw it on a parchment, that style to draw. And she presented her own ideas. That means she has read the story, she understood it, and accordingly she has represented it. I'll try to show one or two if I am available with it. Another girl, she acted like APJ Abdul Kalam. She took one portion. There was a particular part where APJ Abdul Kalam is talking with, young APJ Abdul Kalam is talking with a particular teacher, Subramaniam Iyer, if I'm not wrong. So he tries to invite him to his home and whatever happens. So she has acted as APJ Abdul Kalam. She has acted as the teacher. She has acted as the teacher's wife. And she has taken small bits, draw and attached it and made into a video. So this is how they have tried to experiment and express themselves. I'm pretty much sure you all are good in something or the other. So if you wish, I can give you such work to do. If you're good at editing and acting, you can do it as a project. I'll keep 20 marks for it. After that, if you are good at speech giving, you can speak for 3 minutes in front of the camera and express your views on a particular topic that I'll share with you. If you're good at drawing, you can express your ideas of a tiger coming to town. I'm coming to it. Wait. That is the easiest and the simplest thing that can be done, which doesn't always show your creativity. You can make clay models also. You can make clay models also. You can make a PPT presentation, but the PPT presentation has to be yours alone. That means you cannot take it from internet. If you want to put some drawings, you have to draw it, then scan it, then upload it. Otherwise, this cannot be accepted. Let me see if I have something for you to show. Yes, I have it. Excellent. Excellent. I got it. This is drawing, Bengali style, known as Jamini Roy style. She is very good in drawing, no doubt about it. And she has experimented on that. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, sir. So it is
Good.
an art integrated leading, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm coming to it. It is the first page. Art integrated learning. Her name is Rohini. She's a good student. She's a good human being also. For me, just a good student is not important. Being a good human being is also quite important. She is in 9A. Very naughty, but very obedient. So this is how she starts. She has given a brief introduction, which may or may not be given. She has So this is the style, and this is not given in the book. This is not given in the book. She has read the story and she has thought about it and then drew it. She has also given why this drawing has been given. He was born in this family. This has been taken from the book. And this is how he earned, APJ Abdul Kalam earned his first business earning by selling sesame seeds, etc., etc. Now this is how they used to celebrate the Ram Janmabhoomi. Sorry, क्या कुछ था? Ram Navami कुछ ऐसा था. Wait. Yeah. They also participated in Sri Ram Kalyan ceremony. So to describe the ceremony, she has drawn this. This photo was given in the book, but it was black and white. She has made it, she has colored it. Okay, what next? So this is how the teacher was teaching and everyone was listening to it. The drawings are hers and it is not directly given in the book. And the explanation for that particular drawing. And they took around 5-10 days to complete. This is the teacher I was talking about. He has invited APJ Abdul Kalam to eat at his home. This is it. They are sitting together and eating. And here he leaves home for higher studies. And that is how she ends, by drawing the present photograph of APJ Abdul Kalam. Because she is good at drawing, she has expressed it this way. You can decide whatever and she has given why she has used, what kind of drawing she has used. She has used the art form of Jamini Roy. And she has got 20 out of 20 just for drawing this, just for expressing herself. It's amazing. Why? This has given the opportunity to the kids to experiment. So if you are good at editing, if you are good at drawing, if you are good at clay modeling, if you are good at, say, what do you say, speech giving. Take an opportunity. Think on it. Think on it today. When we meet on Wednesday, you can inform me. Or else you can message Daud sir. He will forward your ideas to me. That what you want to do. That can also be done. I want you to express yourself, please. Even you're telling about stick photographs, you can do it if you can make it creative. But you have to give your best in that. It cannot be that you are not, suppose if someone tells me to take express through drawing, I will not be doing it because I'm not good at that. What may I do? I can go for editing, video editing maybe, or maybe I'll go for a speech and the speech will be completely mine. That you have to understand what you are good at. You can use your ideas of the Tiger Come to Town with SDG, that particular point, and then relate it. It's your choice. But this is something which you can do. If you are planning to go for a speech, it cannot be less than 3 minutes, minimum 3 minutes, excluding your introduction. So eventually your speech will be around 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Around. Think. You can really do well. Just think that you can do. Someone else give a video was there, but I don't know whether it is show it to you. Let's see. Will it allow me to show? Let's see. I don't know if it will be visible to you all. Can you see a video?
Something loading.
Yes, just a minute. Yes, it's loading yet. Still now.
I heard that our maths teacher left the school. And I knew.
I don't think you could see anything, right?
No, we cannot see anything.
Exactly. It is not permitting to show. The share screen. It's not showing. Just a minute. Let me see if it allows. Now. Let me try it once more. I don't think it's happening anymore.
No, sir.
So it's not supporting it. Fine, I'll try to see if I can share it with. Did you understand what he said? Or everything went above your head? Sir, क्या बोल के चला गया? Did you understand what I am trying to get from the students? Safia, did you understand what I said? What I need to get from the students?
Sir, for the last few
Safia,
seconds.
can you hear me?
Sir, for the last few seconds, your video was paused.
No, it's fine. But whatever I was telling before, the art integrated
Yeah.
learning kind of thing, did you get
Yeah.
that? Did you understand that?
Yes.
Fine. Mozam, you understood?
That you have to make something like acting, whatever you're good at.
Yes. Correct. Mozam, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Just show thumbs up if you understood. Yeah. Mudabir, Farhana, Sakleen, Ahmed, Uzair
Yes, sir.
Parker. If you've understood, just give a thumb. Fine. Fine. Okay. I'm just left with Ahmed Kazim, Uzair Parker. I don't know whether they've understood. Thank you. Yes, understood, Farhana. Okay. Let's move forward. Right now, whatever you see on the screen. Oh. गड़बड़ कर दिया आज. Yes, now it will be okay. Now you can see they have a few words. And then you have to choose the antonym. We have 6 such questions and we have 7 students. I want each one of you to respond to at least 3 out of 6. At least 3 should be responded. That means just fill in the blanks. Any 3 of your choice. Those answers will not be granted. It's 12:20 by my watch. You have 1 minute to respond. Any 3 out of 6. You have to read the meaning and you'll get the right answer. Just column A and column B for the time being. Let's see.
Sir, can I say?
40 seconds left.
Sir, can I say?
No. Chat box. Others have already started. Chat box only. Others have started responding. I have got one from Farhana, but that's wrong. Farhana. That is a different, it has a different meaning. Farhana has given the second also. Okay. Yes, that is correct. Others fast. Yes. Number 2 again. You are wrong, Sakleen. You are very close to it. I think you got it, but you typed it wrong. Sakleen. Check your answer again. It's 12:21 already. Mudavir, you are correct. Your 3 answers are correct. Muzam, 1. Okay. I'll just wait till 12:22. Okay. Number 5 is correct. Whoever has sent till now. Mudavir, all the answers are correct. Ahmed Kazi, yours number 4 is correct. Time up. Now let's see. Number 6. No. How can it be intelligent? You thought of number 7, but that is an incorrect answer. Okay. Let's discuss. Second one is assure. Every time Sakleen was typing the wrong answer. Anio, radio. Number 3 is anyone? Number 3, panic, P-A-N-I-C. It's panic, sudden unreasonable fear. Number 4, timid, it's correct. Number 5, determined, that is 100% correct.
Oh.
Number 6, visible, correct. Now, sorry, a phone call came, so I could not, it got disconnected for some time. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, the last one, number 7. Anyone would like to try?
Irrelevant.
Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, sorry. Yes, irrelevant. Correct. Irrelevant. Yes, irrelevant. Now, how did I get number 7? Initially, I also got a bit doubtful. So I checked. I thought it will be irrelevant, but something close to it can also be possible. Then I came across this word, relevant. So I became very much sure that if it is relevant, then it has to be relevant. Now, in column C, they have given us few options. Invisible, brave, relevant, to be undecided, etc. These are all antonyms or opposite words. Cower means to crumble out of fear, and the opposite, to act bravely. Fine. Assure. Assure means opposite. Okay, anything? Panic? Panic?
Scared. Being scared.
Panic?
Being
Act
scared.
bravely. Brave.
Brave, not necessarily. Timid, brave, I'll take. But panic, I
remain
prefer
calm.
to have to remain calm. Yes, yes. Panic, to remain calm. Hopefully, we are not scrolling down to get the answers, please. Determined, determined. Visible, invisible, 100% sure. Determined, to be unsure.
Determined to be undecided.
If to be undecided, then what will be assure? To be unsure.
To be undecided.
Determined, to be undecided. Determined, just a minute. Unsure.
Because sir,
To be
determined means to be firm in
Just
one
a minute, let me
decision.
think. Determined, unsure, you want to say? Undecided.
Unsure.
Let's check the answer. Okay, what has they given? To be undecided, number 5. Yes. Unsure is. Now, let's move on to the next part. What is there? Okay, there are some questions given in this particular chapter. We will discuss that. Do you mean to say you are going in as you are without arms or protection? They asked him. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Acha, let me understand one thing very clearly. The question that follows in the given chapter, the answers are already provided there. And the answers will remain the same. The tiger came to the town. What did it all do? The answers remain the same. But for instance, the practice that we did just now, or the writing skills, or the jumbled sentences, or rearranging of the sentences, I find it to be more important because they need to be discussed in the class and students need to practice, because whatever answer the book gives. Your views will change as per your understanding. So what I believe, do I need to discuss the question answers? If yes, kindly send me a yes in the chat box to my name. I'll keep the names secret. It doesn't mean that whatever I think has to be correct. If you think I need to discuss the question answers, I'll discuss the question answers, textual question answers, given at the end of the chapter. If you think there is no use discussing the question answers because the answers are already given, then you can use no. Use it, I want an answer for everyone. It can be yes, no problem. It can be no also. It is your choice. If you think I need to discuss the question answer, I'll definitely discuss. I just try to understand whether there is any need or not. Okay. Okay, I'm getting good response. 3 I've got till now. Fine. Most of them are telling yes. So I will discuss the question answers. Very good. Okay. So let's go for it. Do you mean to say you are going in as you are without arms or protection? They asked him. Yes, that's what I am going to do. We have no time to waste. Where did the above conversation take place? Anyone? So we need the answer from you all. You have to respond.
So when the master, the
Where did the
tiger's
answer? Where
master,
did this thing take place?
so when the
Yeah.
tiger's master was entering the headmaster's room where the tiger was there.
Yes, when the tiger was there and where it has been locked by the officials of the school, and the master wanted to enter there. The conversation is taking place near the headmaster's room, as far as I recall. Who were the they? The people of the school, the officials from the school,
The people from
right?
school.
Sorry, a bit louder.
People from school.
Yeah, people belonging, associated with the school. If you write people from the school, it will be not appropriate. You can write people associated with the school. That is better. Why did they want to know? Sorry, who were they talking to? They were talking to the master, the tiger's master. Capital M should be there, please. Why did they want to know if he was going unarmed? Because they were afraid. Simple. Why do you think he said we have no time to waste? Anyone? Apart from Mudabir and Muzam. Okay, let me do one thing. Otherwise, I find many of you are not giving the response. Let us take this as our homework, 6.1. Note it down. I'll discuss this in the next class, and you are going to come prepared. And I won't waste time on thinking. You have to respond instant. So let me note down 6.1. Students are going to come prepared. Page 88. Okay, note it down. Come prepared, we'll discuss. Because there is a good stock of this thing. We have finished, let us learn right now. Next, what do we have? Do you know how are tigers counted? A simple tiger sensor is conducted every 2 years. Okay. Can we do a small project on this? That means the data has been given over here. Students have to prepare a PPT on this. The most interesting and engaging PPT will be awarded. We'll be getting good marks. Let's make it simple. And probably we will try to display it in some way or the other. Let me make it clear. You get 7 days time by the next Wednesday, you have to prepare a PPT. PPT, hopefully we know.
Sir, by the
PowerPoint
next
presentation.
Thursday.
By the next Wednesday. It takes hardly 24 hours maximum. I'm giving you 7 days. You have to prepare a PPT and upload it in the classroom. I'll create it today itself, the task. Wait. I think this will be interesting. Hopefully, students, please don't take it as a burden. I don't want to burden you, please. If you think you're boring, to bol dena. But I found it interesting because counting of tigers is not that easy. The data has been given. You just need to present it interestingly. So it's page 90. And you have to do a PPT to be submitted by Wednesday. Any doubts, please ask me now. Don't tell me, sir, ये आपने क्या दे दिया, boring था. Try it once. Myths and superstitions about animals. How do you think this myth originated? Okay, what is this? Let's see. The main reason for this is that there is insufficient knowledge about animals. This. The table below contains some myths or beliefs and the possible reasons for the beliefs. Some of the beliefs may have a logical explanation, possible reasons for these myths. Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah, Safia.
After making the PowerPoint, do we have to share the PowerPoint with you?
Obviously, how will I come to know? That's why you have to upload it in the classroom.
Okay.
So, okay, I take up another one. Let us do it. Wait. I can find many things coming up to my mind. We have another task here. Wait. Page 91. I'll make it easy for you. Wait. What else do we have? These are the explanations. We right now don't need to concentrate. Then we have again some question answers. We'll keep question answers for Wednesday and Thursday. We'll discuss question answers on Wednesday and Thursday. Page 92. Please note down. Page 92. We'll discuss the question answers. 6.2.2, I think. It's easy. 6.2. Question answers definitely on Wednesday and Thursday. 6.1 on Wednesday. If time permits, we'll do it on Wednesday only. 6.2 also. If not, we'll carry on forward to next day. You'll come prepared, we'll discuss. What are they giving here? In your Friends of the Animals Club, hold a mock parliament of animals. Each member should play the role of an animal and suggest one way in which human beings can show their concern towards animals. Okay. This is something I need to think on it. We will not do it right now. Let me make it simple more. Wait. Okay. Next. Given will are some sentences, fill in the blanks with words or phrases from the text which are given in the box. Refer to dictionary to check the meaning. Yes, this we'll do right now. A good team leader is one who walks along with his team and does not dash on others. Let me take it. Yeah, A and B is here. How many are there? C, D, E, F. Okay. We'll do first A and B. Once you're done with A and B, you will tell me. Then I'll move on to C, D, E, F. See, there was plenty of evidence and several eyewitness reports in support of her. The court finally. Any idea, anyone? Yes. Who is that? I can't hear you. Someone is trying to say something. Who is that? I can't see. Who is this without any name? Saklen. Ah, Saklen. Yes, Saklen, you are trying to say something?
I was just taking my answer.
Yeah, please tell. I couldn't hear you all this time. Yes, Saklen, tell your answer.
Um,
Others can also speak, no problem. Muzam, Mudabir, please. A good team leader is one who walks along with his team and does not
sir, absorb
absolve on others. I don't think absolve.
or
Sir, exercise.
stretch
A good team leader is the one who works along with his team and does not bluster on others.
Okay, I want the answers to be dropped by the students in the chat box with the short forms that are given, these words. You have to frame the words. You can tell to me over the mic also.
Man, sir, I guess the A1, no, B1 is green.
Fine. Your task is over. Someone else. Someone else, some other answer?
Sir, the B1 is green.
It is told. Number B is told.
Sir, the C is shiver.
Yes, the C is shiver. Number
Huh?
A has been told by Mozam. Blush. Correct. Mozam has given, Mudabir has given, Safia has given. We are done with A, B, C. We are left with D and E.
Sir, D1 is frown.
Yes, correct. E, last one. Anyone? I got an answer. D is shrug. Yes, Mozam, it has been told. E is
Sir,
shrug. S-H-R-U-G. E is shrug. Okay. Number 4. This is something which we used to do in class 3 and 4. Fine. We'll continue from here in the next class. We're left with very few things. Now, what are we going to do? I asked you to do something art integrated learning. But from here, I have got a very good idea. In PP, there is one point in page 90. Please note it down, everyone. Switch on your cameras, please, students. I'll just take 2-3 minutes, please. Excuse, please. I'll take I'll take just 2-3 minutes. Note down page 90. Note down page 91. One is based on the tiger marks, tiger counting. Another is based on superstition. Right? And we have 6 students. I don't know whether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uzair Parker, can you respond? If you respond, then I'll keep you in the task. Otherwise, I'll not keep you in the task. Now, what I'm planning to do is, I will divide the number of students. 3 students will work on PPT. 3 students will work on the superstition thing. So what you need to do is that in case of superstition, you need to present one idea. This is the case. Uzair Parker has left, so he doesn't want to be part of it. So 5. 3. There are 4 superstitions. You can make one superstition and then tell this is the reason. Then present another superstition and then give the reason. You don't have to look for any superstition. It is given in the book. And you make a PPT out of it. Same thing happens with the tiger marks, how to count. The data is given. You need to present it in your own way. I will keep Mudabir and Mozam because this name starts with M for the tiger mark. And all the 3S, sorry, 2S are there for the superstition. In between comes F. So F comes before, na? And then M comes. Fine. So F, Farhana, Mudabir, Mozam will work on tiger footprint. Saklain and Safia will work on superstition. Is it clear, students? Let me repeat.
Yes, sir.
Let me repeat. Students with F and M, they will be working on tiger footprint, a tiger count. And students with F, they will work on superstitions.
F?
Sorry, S. It will be S. Last one will be S. Sorry. Last one will be S. Last will be yes. It's clear now, right? Understood? Give a thumbs up. You can start leaving. I want the PPT to be uploaded by Wednesday on the in the classroom. If you've understood it,
Sir?
give a thumbs up. You can start leaving. Thank you. Thank you, Farhana.
We have
Yes,
to write
just
all
a
the
minute.
superstitions which are there.
Mudabir, you can leave. No, yeah, there are 4 superstitions. You have to present all the 4. Yes, Saklin, you can leave. Thank you. Farhana, you can also leave. Safia, you have understood? Okay, you can also leave. Musa, have understood?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. We meet again on Wednesday. Thank you very much.